The Abode Essentials kit contains everything you need to get started with the smart home security system, and it's incredibly easy to install. The Essentials kit includes the gateway, the heart of the Abode home security system, which has a built-in siren, battery, and cellular backup, one mini door window sensor, one indoor motion sensor, one remote key fob to easily arm or disarm your system, and broad smart home technology support with Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Abode RF connectivity built in, allowing you to connect all of your favorite smart home products to one central system that you control. The gateway also includes Abode's powerful automation engine, which means you can customize your home's devices according to your lifestyle and needs, and access to your Abode system through the free mobile and web apps to review activity in your home, set up customizations and rules, and keep an eye on things when you're home or away. The Abode Essentials kit helps you get started, but is also flexible and allows you to add other products to build the smart home security system that makes sense for you and your home.